Who's ready for some short hairstyles? I want to keep these really simple and I want to share that you can create some really cute hairstyles with short hair. Let's begin. So I'm going to take a section in the beginning, like 3 fingers wide, a little more, a little less, and just split that into 2 sections. So this is where the rope twist technique begins. This is my version. So I'm going to take this section at the front and twist it towards my face 2 to 3 times. So that's twice. I'm going to hold it twisted and I'm going to bring it up and over this section that I'm holding right here. Just like that. Don't untwist it, don't let go. It's going to keep twisted. Just hold it there. Now I'm going to add some hair to this section right here. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm actually going to do 3 times, twist it, and then bring it over just like that. You see that? And I'm not doing anything with this one. I'm just holding it so it doesn't untwist. Add a little bit of hair to this section, and then twist it twice or 3 times, again, towards your face. And then just bring it over. See that? Super simple. I'm just gonna bring it kind of behind my ear, a little bit past my ear as well. I'm gonna take a clear elastic and just secure the rope twist together. All right, so you see, now that I have it secured, it's not going anywhere. I'm gonna set it where I want it to sit. This is where you go in and personalize it to your taste and to your hair texture and hair type. All right, I think I'm happy like that. I'm gonna take mini bobby pins and just secure the bottom. I'll take like 1 or 2, depending how many I need. And then to hide the clear elastic to accessorize the look, I'm going to take one of these tiny little, they're like these like half moon type of clips that are open that you can secure them and kind of close them shut. But they're really cute. A lot of people put them in their braids, different hairstyles, and this is just a really easy way to hide your clear elastic. All right, let's do my right side. And that completes the look, you guys. I think it's very, very cute. And I love that it looks like a headband, but there's still a little texture. And it's really easy. If you don't really know how to braid, I think this is a really great alternative. It looks beautiful. It looks like a braid. It looks very intricate, but it's really easy. I really hope you guys love this one. For this one, I'm going to use one of my favorite tools ever, this little clip that I got from Etsy. And so many of you also loved it. And I'm gonna create a little messy bun using that tool and nothing else. So just pick up wherever or however much you want in your bun. Just gonna do that. And then I'm just gonna take some of these hairs out to, you know, frame the face. I'm gonna just kind of play with this a little bit. And then pick it up into a messy bun, and I'm gonna use this to secure it. I'm gonna go back in, just kind of texturize the bun, make it even messier. That completes the look, you guys. Just messy it up, play around with it, maybe readjust your little pin or clip that you're using. Maybe put a diagonal, put it straight, whatever you want. Maybe even put 2 in there if you want. But I love this hairstyle. I wear it pretty much all the time if I want my hair up out of my face. Even take some of these pieces up and it's just so easy. And it looks really good. Super cute. And we're gonna begin. 3 sections for a French braid. Outer sections over the middle. Then start adding hair to this outer sections. Once I'm done with the French braid, I went as far as I could before all the little hairs start falling apart, just because my hair is shorter. So I'm basically just gonna keep the very bottom layers out and just have some of these hairs out and just basically make it a very playful take on the French braid. And then I'm gonna go back in and texturize the braid right now. I'm gonna take one of these again that I used in the beginning and hide the clear elastic just to accessorize the hairstyle. I'm just gonna take this one underneath. I really like this one because it looks like you put some thought and effort into your hair, but you're being very chill about it. You know what I mean? Very romantic, very chic, messy, a good kind of messy, a good amount of messy. But I hope you guys like this one. I think this one's really cute and it really frames the face, frames your hairstyle, but you still have a little bit of something happening with your shorter hair. I think this would be really great for like a dinner, a really nice event, to put on some really cute jewelry, a nice intense lip. You know what I mean? I think it looks good. I think you guys are getting my vision. At least I hope you are. And that completes really simple, really cute hairstyles for your shorter hair. Let me know what other hairstyles you guys want to see. You guys want to see maybe how to style it, you know, using hair tools, other techniques, all that good stuff. You guys want to see some more braids. You want to see some cute little messy buns, topsy tails. Let me know what hairstyles in particular you guys want to see in the future. But for now, you guys, thank you so much for watching, spending time with me and these hairstyles, and I will see you in the next one very soon. Bye.